Compare the three numbers 542.5, 542.56 and 542.561. All three numbers have same whole number part, but their decimal parts are different. Convert all unlike decimals into like decimals by adding zeros at the end. The numbers now will be 542.500, 542.560 and 542.561. Now concentrate on the decimal part alone. The first number represents 500 thousands, second number represents 560 thousandths, and the third number represents 561,000. So, 542.561 is greater than 542.5 and 542.56. Similarly, 542.56 is greater than 542.5. Thus, 542.561 is greater than 542.56, which is greater than 542.5.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download Iprep and learn unlimited.